Welcome to English Practice Lab.
Yeah, welcome. We're here to help you learn and practice English.
That's right. Simple, useful English for, real life.
Exactly. And today, we're diving in something really fun.
Movies. How watching movies can seriously boost your English.
And not just watching, but how to really learn from them and then how to actually talk about them with people.
Okay, let's get into it. So why movies? Why are they such a great tool for learning English?
Well, first off, they're fun, right? And when learning is enjoyable, you stick with it.
Totally. Much better than a dry textbook sometimes.
For sure. But beyond that, movies expose you to, like, real spoken English.
How people actually talk.
Yeah, you hear natural pronunciation, everyday expressions, even slang that you probably wouldn't find in a formal lesson.
Right, the rhythm and flow of conversation.
Exactly. It helps massively with your listening skills. You start to pick up words and phrases faster.
And vocabulary, too, I bet. You hear words in context.
Absolutely. Plus, you get exposed to different accents. You know, English isn't just one accent.
That's a really good point. You hear British, English, American, Australian.
All kinds. It helps your ear get used to the variety you'll encounter in the real world.
And what about, like, the nonverbal stuff?
Oh, yeah. Huge benefit. You see, body language, facial expressions. It helps you understand the culture, the humor.
And people interact. It's the whole package.
It really is. It makes the learning process feel, well, easier and more natural because you're absorbing so much context.
Okay, I'm convinced. Movies are awesome for learning. So how do we actually do it? How do we, study with a movie without killing the fun?
Good question. The first step, and this is crucial, is choosing the right movie for your level.
Right, you don't want to jump into something super complicated straight away.
Exactly. If you're a beginner, maybe start with a movie you already know the story of, like one you've seen in your native language.
Oh, that's smart. Takes the pressure off understanding the plot.
Yeah, or pick animations or simple comedies. They often use clearer, simpler language.
Okay, and for intermediate learners?
Intermediate learners can branch out more, try different genres. But maybe avoid films with really complex plots or lots of technical jargon at first.
Keep it manageable.
And here's a tip for everyone. Maybe start with something shorter, like a TV show episode, maybe 20 or 30 minutes.
To keep focused.
Yeah, helps maintain concentration,
Yeah.
especially when you're starting this method.
Makes sense.
Okay.
So you've picked your movie or show. What's next? Subtitles seem like a big part of this.
They are, but you need to use them wisely. It's not just on or off.
Okay, how so?
We suggest a kind of three-step approach. First time watching, use subtitles in your native language.
Is that?
So you can just relax and understand the story, get the plot, the characters, what's going on. No stress about the English yet.
Okay, step one, understand the story then.
Step 2, watch it again, but this time with English subtitles.
Okay. Now you're connecting the sounds to the words.
Precisely. You see how things are spelled, how sentences are structured. You match the spoken word to the written word.
That seems really helpful. And step 3.
Step 3, when you feel ready, is to watch it again with no subtitles at all.
Ooh, the challenge round.
Yeah. This really trains your listening comprehension. You're relying purely on your ears. It builds that skill directly.
That's a great progression. Gradual difficulty.
Exactly. Now, while you're doing those viewings, especially the one with English subtitles, there's another technique.
Oh, okay.
Pause and repeat. Or sometimes it's called shadowing.
Shadowing. What's that?
When you hear a phrase you like or one that seems useful, you pause the movie and you repeat it out loud. Try to copy the actor's pronunciation, the intonation, the rhythm.
Like mimicking them.
Exactly. It's fantastic for improving your own fluency and pronunciation. You're training your mouth muscles, basically.
That sounds really effective.
Yeah.
So you're actively speaking, not just listening.
Right. And while you're pausing and repeating, it's also a good time to take notes.
The vocabulary building part.
Yep. Keep a notebook handy or use a notes app on your phone.
What should you write down?
The new word or phrase, what it means, and really importantly, an example sentence.
From the movie.
Ideally, yeah. Or make up your own based on how it was used. Like if a character says, "I'm not sure," you write that down.
Okay.
Then write the meaning means you are unsure or don't know. And maybe add the context. He said it when asked about the plan.
That context seems key for remembering how to use it.
It really is. It helps you use it naturally later.
So choose movie, subtitles native, subtitles English, no subtitles. Pause, repeat, shadow. Take notes. Is that it?
One more thing that really helps cement the learning. rewatching.
The same movie again.
Yeah, sounds maybe boring, but it's super effective. Each time you watch, you notice more.
Like new words or details.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You pick up things you missed, you understand the nuances better, plus it feels easier each time, which is a great confidence booster.
Confidence is huge in language learning.
Okay.
Any other extra tips to make this work even better?
Definitely. First, pick movies or shows you genuinely enjoy. Learning should be fun, not a chore.
Makes total sense.
Second, when you practice shadowing, repeat the whole sentence, not just single words. It helps with flow.
Good tip.
Also, use streaming services. Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video.
Yeah.
They usually have great subtitle options in different languages.
Very convenient.
And don't forget YouTube. You can find tons of movie clips there. And a cool trick is you can often slow down the playback speed.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if someone's speaking too fast, slow it down to catch every word clearly. It's super helpful.
Wow, that's a lot of great advice. Can you maybe wrap that up into a simple study plan someone could try?
Sure. Okay, a basic plan could look like this.
What?
1, choose a short movie or one TV episode, something you like.
Got it.
2, watch it once with subtitles in your language. Just understand the story.
Right.
3, watch it again with English subtitles. Focus on the words. 4, during that second watch, or maybe a third watch, pause maybe 5 to 10 times. Find useful phrases, repeat them out loud, that's the shadowing. Write them down in your notebook with meaning and context.
Pause, repeat, write. 5 to 10 phrases.
Yeah.
5, watch it one more time, no subtitles at all, test your listening.
Okay, the final challenge.
And 6, review your notes later. Try to use those new phrases during the week.
That sounds like a really solid, manageable plan. Okay, so that's how to learn from movies. But what about talking about them? That's a big part of enjoying movies, right? Sharing your thoughts.
Absolutely. And it's a great way to practice your English in a real conversation.
So where do we start? What's the basic vocabulary we need?
First thing is probably genres. You know, the type of movie.
Like action, comedy?
Exactly. Action, comedy, drama, romance, horror, sci-fi, which is short for science fiction, fantasy, documentary, thriller. Those are the main ones.
Knowing those helps you say what you like.
Right. You can say simple things like, I like action movies, or my favorite genre is comedy, or maybe, I don't really like horror films.
Easy enough. And how do you ask someone else?
The classic question is, what kind of movies do you like?
And how would you answer that naturally? You could say, I love, or I'm really into, so I love action movies, or I'm really into comedies.
What if you dislike something strongly?
You could say, I can't stand horror films.
Okay.
Or just state your preference. My favorite movie genre is drama, or I prefer romantic comedies over thrillers.
Shows a bit more detail.
Yeah. And then you can ask your friends things like, have you seen any good movies lately? Or, the big one, what's your favorite movie of all time?
Always a fun question. Okay, what about inviting someone to watch a movie?
Keep it simple and direct. Do you want to watch a movie tonight?
Or suggesting something.
Yeah, like let's watch something funny. Or if you have a specific one in mind, have you seen Inception?
You could also say, do you feel like watching a movie?
Totally. Or maybe recommend one. I heard this movie's really good. Or this one has great reviews.
Good phrases.
Yeah.
Now, watching at home versus the cinema, that comes up a lot.
It does. You can ask, do you like going to the cinema?
And answer like,
I usually watch movies at home. Or I love watching movies on Netflix. Or if you actually I went to the theater last weekend.
simple. And suggesting watching at home.
Easy peasy. Let's watch something tonight. Or do you want to watch a movie later? Very common, very natural.
Okay, the big one. Giving your opinion after you've watched it. How do you say if you liked it or not?
Start simple. It was amazing. It was great. It was okay. Or on the negative side, it was boring. Or it was terrible.
Direct. I like it.
Or even simpler, I loved it. Or not my favorite. Or just, I didn't like it.
What about how it made you feel?
Oh, good one. You can say, it made me cry. Or it made me laugh. Or it made me think. Adds a bit more flavor.
And giving more specific feedback.
Yeah, you can comment on specifics. The story was interesting. The acting was really good. The ending surprised me.
What if it was okay, but maybe too long?
You can say that. It was too long, but I liked it overall. It's okay to have mixed feelings.
And if you really liked it.
A strong recommendation is, I'd definitely watch it again.
Perfect. Any other useful little phrases that often pop up in movie talk?
Yeah, a few handy ones, like saying where you watched it, I watched it on Netflix, or I saw it at the movie theater.
Okay.
Or giving some background, it's based on a true story. Or maybe mentioning awards, it won an Oscar.
Ah, useful context.
Right. Or if it's new, it just came out last week.
Yep.
And before you even watch it, you might say, the trailer looked awesome.
Awesome. That's a really great set of tools for actually talking about movies.
Yeah, hopefully that gives everyone a good starting point.
So just to recap quickly, we talked about why movies are amazing for learning English,
Yeah.
the natural language, accents, culture, all that fun stuff.
Right, the whole immersive experience.
Then we went through a step-by-step guide, choosing movies, using subtitles smartly, the shadowing technique, taking notes, and rewatching.
A solid plan to turn watching into learning.
And finally, we covered all those essential phrases for actually talking about movies, genres, likes, dislikes, inviting people, giving opinions.
Yeah, equipping you for real conversations.
So now, we really encourage you to practice this. Think about your favorite movie, try describing it, maybe say why you like it, using some of the phrases we talked about.
Yeah, do it. Say it out loud, even if you're just talking to yourself. It really helps. Or grab a friend.
Definitely. And speaking of practice and learning, we have a question for you, our listeners.
We do. We'd love to know. What's your biggest challenge in learning English?
Let us know in the comments below. Seriously, tell us what you struggle with the most.
Your answers help us figure out what topics to cover next here on English Practice Lab, so please share.
And maybe suggest topics you'd like us to cover in future shows too.
Yeah, we'd love to hear your ideas.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for tuning in to English Practice Lab.
Yeah, thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next session.
See you in the next episode, and happy movie watching.
Happy movie watching.